In this video, we'll go over how to create a Cobblemon mod pack with just Cobblemon in it inside of the Prism launcher on Fabric. To start, we'll go ahead and open up the Prism launcher and click the Add Instance button in the top left. Then, we'll navigate over to 121, which is the latest version of Minecraft that Cobblemon runs on. Inside of here, I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. Cobblemon Fabric, you can call it whatever you'd like. And then I'm going to choose my mod loader of Fabric. I'm going to take the recommended version and roll with it. And we'll hit OK. We now have Cobblemon Fabric. Let's go ahead and add some stuff to it. I'm going to right-click and select Edit. Inside of here, off to the left, I'll select Mods. Off to the right, I'll click Download Mods, and I'll look up Cobblemon. Granted, you can look this up on either Modrinth or CurseForge. Cobblemon is available on both. If I click on Cobblemon inside of here, I have the opportunity to select the version once it kicks up. You know, Modrinth was giving me trouble with this just a moment ago. I do recommend Modrinth. She's just having a day today. So we'll head back over to CurseForge for now, and we'll do Cobblemon. We click that, yeah, there we go. Cobblemon 152. As of this moment, as of this video, that is the latest version. I will click Select Mod for download, and click Review and Confirm. I'll get a pop-up saying, yep, Cobblemon, but also since it's Cobblemon Fabric, it requires the Fabric API. I'll hit OK, making sure that both of those are checked before I do so. It'll go out and grab Fabric as well as Cobblemon Fabric for me, and then we can click Launch. Remember to press Enter to enable the narrator. I'm not going to do that. I'll hit Continue. Single player, just to demonstrate that it's all clicked in properly. Create new world. And once that's loaded up, we should see that we get the press the M key to start to check out the starters. And I'm going to try I'm going to trust my tried and true starter of Bulbasaur here. And sadly, no shiny. But there we go.